Hi guys, Jackie from the basement. Happy with the Twist Acrylic Pours Plus. How is everyone doing this Saturday evening? I hope you're all well. A change of plans. I had on my post I was going to have a special person coming next week, but no, not going to happen next week. Well, I don't know what I'm going to do, but I think it's a 9x12. I just pulled it out from over there, and I thought it was going to be at least a 10x10, but no, it's not. And that's okay. That's all right, really. We're just going to pour some colors into here. No rhyme or reason. Nope. And what else are we going to put with this? I do want to put some pink in here, but is this a gettable kink? Kink? Pink. Is it going to push out, or is it going to... Do I need to... So I didn't come down test the damn thing. I just came down, put a couple things in the washer. So we're going to do a paint pour of some sort. Yep. That's how that worked. I'm going to get aggressive here. It's okay. Let's not shoot these at us, though. That wouldn't be good. Alrighty. There we go. It's opened up now. We are going to put some black into here. Oh, we need to get more black in here, don't we? Seems to be. Oh my goodness, guys. It's like turn on my videos and wait 5 minutes. I'll eventually have stuff together. Oh my goodness. Alrighty. Whew. Oh, how did the last one turn out? They turned out very pretty. Let me try to show you real quick here. That's the double dipper they did last week, or the last time. I like this more than I like this, but this one's like, except for when you get down to here, it's like, yeah. But I may take them out and spray them, or at least this one. Oh, it doesn't quite have the yellow the other one did. So I must have used a different yellow. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Okay, on to this wreck. Alrighty. Okay, what do we wanted to put some pink into here. Okay, let's do that. Hopefully, surely it's mixed up after the whacking I did on it. Oh, might have had some globbies in there too. And does this say neon pink? Yes, it is. Alrighty. Think I have more? I don't know, since I redid my paints, putting them back behind me over there. Well, I couldn't. That's the chair. I don't see it, but I don't see a lot of things over there either. A lot of crap in the way. Now, what are we going to put with this? We're going to put some gold into here. Got to shake that up good, though. You do. And you may want to take off the lid. Okay. Alrighty. Hopefully fiance and I can figure out a way. But, yeah. Like maybe do it before we start taping? Uh-huh. I'm not going to put a whole bunch into there. I don't want that much because it takes over. I need to make up a copper, and I know I have copper somewhere in all this. No, I was just thinking, oh, there's a turquoise. That's not what I was talking about. Jeez Louise. Alrighty. We're going to put some of the turquoise in here. The self-made turquoise. I think I may have wanted to shake that up a bit. Let's try some... Yay, there's paint in here. Some of the true navy, I think, or... Yes, True Navy. Okay. Oh, dear. Uh-huh. Yep, guess what we're going to have to do? Guess what? There we are. Oh, excuse me, I burped a little bit. Not going to use a whole lot. And what else can we put in here? We're going to put more white in here. I need to mix up more white. I have the time now to do that. And is there anything else we want in here? Do we want an orange? A yellow? Any purples? I don't know. But I am going to take a stick and I'm just going to kind of go swash in here. That's got some major buildup on it, doesn't it? Let's take off the princess hairs. We're just going to go through here and just do like a cross hatch. Okay, you know what I probably would have wanted to get were some gloves. Let's kind of worry about that. Because I do want to hold the camera afterwards. Is that one pair or two pair? Two pairs. My goodness, guys. Okay. Hey, we figured it out. That was quick. These are really not the best gloves, but hey, they're easier to put on than the other ones. Okay. I've got this on my wrist today because 2 days in a row after moving that damn drafting table, my hand is achy. My wrist is, oh my goodness. Woke up today, couldn't even close my hand. Oh, arthritis? I don't know. I don't know, guys. You know what we could do? Oh, do tell, do tell. Uh-huh. No, because it's not a... I was going to get one of the bottle bottoms, but let's not. Okay. Huh. I want some of that pink to stay in there. Did I put enough paint into here? I don't know. Huh. Gotta make that little design in the middle there. That's for sure. Nothing spectacular today, just playing with some paints, guys. Just playing with paints. And that's okay. You don't have to have a plan every time, as you can tell. Absolutely you don't. Try and cover these corners a bit. Pre-cover. Any more? Okay, what if we do this all along here? I'm just taking my time today, guys. I'm sorry. Taking my sweet time. There's no rush for anything. Yes. Alright, I think it has run out of... Well, no, it hasn't. Alrighty, the back side's just going to have to be on its own. Yes, it is. Alright. Pull up the sleeves. And let's see what we can make out of this. Let's see what happens. Definitely going to be an abstract. Oh, neat. I'll have more skins down there to pluck up later. I've made some jewelry out of the other skins that I've had on here, and I'll be selling those with the, there we go, with the paintings which they fell off from, if that makes sense to you. Here we go. I'm pretty sure this is a 9x12. Pretty sure. I used to carry a tape measure with me. Oh, there's one up there that I could have used. Yes. But we didn't see that, did we? No. Let's get this other corner. That pink really disappeared, didn't it, kind of? Doggone it. Oh, I think I'm going to have some, like, zebra skins. How cool is that going to be? Hey. Is that even moving? I don't think it is, guys. Let me get this real quick here. Get that. Okay, this is a shirt. I don't care if I get paint on. We're good. We're good. Oops, gonna have to mess with this a little bit. There we go. Alrighty. This is going to have a dirty bottom on it, but oh well. Okay. Let's set it down. Huh. Now, I think there are some oogie boogies in there. I'm thinking that's what those things are. Put these into the trash. Looks like a glob right there. Oh, maybe it's not. Oh, yes, it is. There we go. Get that out of there. This looks like something here. Keep it steady, old woman. Okay. Okay. I think everything else be all right. I think. Let's take the torch to it. There might be one back there. That gold isn't showing up as much as I had thought it would, but yet it is in some spots. When I bring you down, I'll show you there. Do this. I think we need a refill on here. I do believe we do. Alrighty. I think it is the globby in there. Doggone it. Maybe not. Hopefully my head didn't get in the picture again. I'm so horrified when that happens. It's like, good God. No. Alright, guys. Do you have those seat belts and helmets ready, I hope? I hope you do. Because we're going to bring you down for a little close-up. Is this a globby? May have been, may not have been. Alright. This is definitely different, isn't it, guys? Alright. And here we come down for a close-up. Hang a da-ho to da-ho. Oh, good, it's still taping. Yay. That's a chair. We have a corner here. Looks like a, not in the camera, but in real time, it looks like a very light lavender. And you can see some of the gold and the blue there. That sparkle farkle, that be the gold. Okay, This is like a Mod Podge of what the heck? There's some pink. What's he do? Ran my head into the camera holder. We're fine. At least you weren't up there to see it. Looks like gold in the black there too, doesn't it? And there's some little base cells coming up. Itty bitties. There's some pink there, and blue, and black. Alrighty, It looks like many layers there. It must be 6 o'clock. Glitz and Glitter just put up her video. She's pretty darn prompt. 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. What have we got in here? And let's look at that little river of gold in there. Okay. All right. Well, guys, I want to thank you for joining me. Not one of my better planned videos. I don't plan them anymore, actually. I'm not sure about this outcome. We will see how it dries. But again, thank you for joining me. If you haven't yet, hit that sub button and click all so you'll be aware of when I load up my next video. Or do one of these. I'm not live, but I'm doing it right now. Love it, Pete. Yeah, you guys. You all take care. Have a wonderful weekend. And we will see you next time on Happy with a Twist Acrylic Pours Plus. Bye-bye for now, guys. Bye-byes. Be good. That's my washer.